welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my backyard. So first we have Kitty over here. And sorry about my throat. My throat is like, I don't know who's telling me, but don't mind if I talk. Pregnant, I'm 2 kitties up here. Bad butt, that's you. Oh Lord, stop. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna have to sit you guys right here. Say hi, camera. This is a boy. He's so cute. Oh, he doesn't like belly rubs. He don't like none of that. He just likes to play. Like, watch. We'll turn him over. Man. Oh my gosh. What's wrong with you? He went in there. See, he loves going in there. Why are you scared? Huh? Why are you scared, little baby? He's a baby. Come here, you baby. Come here, you baby. Come here, you baby. Come here, you baby. I guess he don't want to play because he sees you guys. He sees the camera. No, nobody looking at him. Tonight I might do a secret recording of what they do at night. So it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be about late at night, like 10 or 12. Today's Sunday, so I gotta go to church, and Herschel's coming over. I have to deal with him. So, I will see you guys later. I know you guys want me to stay, but, I can, but I don't know what else videos I can make. And if I did make videos, I gotta wait till later so I can get some stuff. Like, if I wanna do the challenge, I have some money that my papa gave me, and I'll buy some stuff with that. So yeah, and he gave me it just for scratching his back. Like, what kind of person does that? I mean, my nana said when she was little, it was this woman named Dottie, and she would say, and no, can you scratch my back? And my nana was scratching, and she gave her change. And you know what she done? She just took it. She told me that Friday night, a few nights, about a day or two ago. But anyways, I'll post one of my musicals in a minute after I post this video. It's already posted anyways. So, yeah. Bye. Bye, guys.